Well, away from the housing bill, and doctors have threatened to escalate up their strike by withdrawing all services, including emergency services, in all public hospitals, following a circular from SRC indicating the reduction of the salaries for interns and doctors. This comes as the nationwide strike entered its 6th day, leaving many Kenyans stranded in health facilities. Helen Aura has the details.
The long queues in some health facilities, as well as empty benches in others, paint the ugly picture occasioned by the doctors' strike. As the doctors' strike enters its 6th day, the Kenya Medical Practitioners, Pharmacists and Dentists Union says this is just the beginning.
On Friday this week, all the doctors across the country will assemble in Nairobi and will be having a very big demonstration, a mother of all demonstrations, to demonstrate, to illustrate to the government that we are not happy and we will not be happy for anything rather than the outcomes of the issues that we raised in our strike notice.
Among the key issues raised by the union are posting of interns and payment of their salaries. The union was set to engage in talks with the national government on Tuesday at the labour offices, but the talks aborted after the leaders failed to turn up, only sending their lawyers. In a letter dated 13th March 2024, the Salaries and Remuneration Commission, SRC, confirmed stipends payable to medical interns following a request by the Health Cabinet Secretary, Susan Nakhumicha. In a letter, SRC says that medical officer interns, pharmacists interns, dental officer interns should be paid between 47,000 Kenya shillings and 70,000 Kenya shillings. Nursing officer interns with a degree and a clinical officer intern to be paid between 35,000 shillings and 50,000 Kenya shillings. Clinical officer interns with a diploma will be paid between 27,000 shillings and 35,000 Kenya shillings.
We are also perturbed to realize that SRC is in the process to reduce salary of doctors, that is the call allowance, across the entire country.
Sadly, when they dig in, we have to dig in too. And then the poor Kenyans who have to suffer for the belligerence of the Ministry of Health.
On the other hand, clinical officers are gearing up to also issue their strike notice on Monday over the same issues. Helen Aura, NTV.